This is a Adoshi new speed variable dual pump, suitable for epoxy 1x1, 1x2, 1x3, and 1x5. It joined with two engines, with two hoppers, and size, max size material mixer with zirc nozzle, copper, and high pressure hose, and high pressure specialized connecting hose. And this is a universal plugs for UK, for Canada, for US, for South America and Australia, and also Japan. This is a controller for the pump. You see, when the button go left, it reads the inside circle for 1:5 mix ratio, and here is 1:4 mix ratio, 1:3, and can get down 1:2 ratio and 1x1. When you need a smaller rate, can go left and read the outer cycle 1x1, 1.9, 1.8, 0.7, 0.6, and 0.5. That's a very good pump. Thanks for watching.